Trying to find this bird here. I've never seen this bird before. Listen to the weird sound he's making. He's got a red head and gray body. Never seen this bird before. This is at Dufferin Island in Niagara Falls, May 17th, 2016. And I have found what I think is a different bird. Unless I just don't know what he is. I like watching birds, but I don't always know what I'm looking at. So I'm gonna have to look you up on the internet. See, you got white on your wings and kind of gray with a red head. Huh. Hey, look this way, bud. Look this way. Look down here. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hey, little birdie. Hey. Yoo-hoo. Hey, little birdie. Yoo-hoo. I'm waving my hat. See? Can we get him to look down with the hat in the way? No. He's not gonna. He or she is not gonna look at the hat. Alright. Okay, my arm's getting sore here. So, interesting bird here in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. I have to look this one up. Beautiful, eh?